If you're looking for the perfect drawing tablet to boost your creativity, you're in the right place. Whether you're into digital art, graphic design, online teaching, or photo editing, a good tablet can completely change your workflow. From pressure-sensitive pens to customizable shortcut keys and wide compatibility, today's drawing tablets offer powerful features at affordable prices. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best drawing tablets that deliver smooth performance, precision, and great value, perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and even professional creators. Number 1. Huion Inspiroy Drawing Tablet. The Huion H1060p is one of the best choices if you want a reliable and feature-packed drawing tablet without spending too much. It comes with a large 10x6, 25-inch working area, giving you plenty of space for comfortable drawing and designing. The battery-free stylus means you never have to worry about charging, allowing uninterrupted creativity anytime. With 60-degree tilt support, it delivers natural shading and smoother strokes, making your artwork look more realistic. You also get 12 programmable press keys and 16 soft keys, letting you customize shortcuts for faster workflow. It supports Windows, macOS, Android, and Linux, making it highly versatile. Its slim design and reversible layout also make it perfect for both right and left-handed users. Number 2. XP Pen Artist 12 Drawing Tablet. The XP Pen Artist 12 is perfect for those who prefer drawing directly on a screen instead of a blank surface. It features an 11.6-inch full HD IPS display that produces vibrant colors and sharp details, giving you a more natural drawing experience. The anti-reflective screen reduces glare, making it comfortable for long hours of use. It includes a battery-free stylus with a built-in eraser, allowing smooth and precise control. With customizable shortcut keys and a touch bar, navigation becomes quick and efficient. This tablet is also great for online teaching, presentations, and content creation. It supports popular software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and more. However, it does require connection to a computer, but in return, you get a highly immersive and professional experience. Number 3. GAOMON M10K Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON M10K offers a great balance between affordability and performance, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate users. It features a large 10x 6.25-inch drawing area with a textured surface that mimics the feel of paper. The included battery-free stylus supports 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing precise and smooth drawing. It also comes with 10 customizable shortcut keys and a touch ring that can be used for zooming, scrolling, or adjusting brush sizes. The tablet is compatible with Windows, macOS, and some Android devices, making it quite versatile. Setup is simple, and once installed, it works smoothly with most creative software. Whether you're sketching, editing, or teaching, this tablet delivers consistent performance at a budget-friendly price. Number 4. UGEE Drawing Tablet. The UGEE M708 V3 is a powerful drawing tablet designed for users who want more precision and workspace. It features a 10x 6-inch active area with a smooth, paper-like texture that enhances the drawing experience. What makes it stand out is its 163/84 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving you excellent control over every stroke. It also includes 8 customizable shortcut keys to speed up your workflow and improve efficiency. The tablet supports multiple operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux, making it highly compatible. It connects easily using USB or USB-C, making setup quick and simple. Whether you're designing, sketching, or editing, this tablet offers a smooth, responsive, and reliable performance for all creative tasks. Number 5. XOPPOX Graphics Drawing Tablet. The XOPPOX Drawing Tablet is a versatile and budget-friendly option that works well for both creative and professional tasks. It comes with a battery-free pen that supports 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring smooth and natural drawing performance. The tablet includes 12 customizable shortcut keys, along with additional multimedia keys, helping you improve productivity and workflow efficiency. It is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android devices, and works with popular software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and more. Beyond drawing, It's also great for online classes, presentations, and remote work, making it a multi-purpose tool. Installation is simple, and once set up, it delivers stable and reliable performance, making it a great option for beginners and everyday users. Best recommendation: if you're looking for the best overall option, the Huion H1060p stands out as the top choice. It offers a perfect balance of performance, customization, and affordability. With its large working area, battery-free stylus, and tilt support, it delivers a smooth and natural drawing experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this tablet provides everything you need for digital art, design, and productivity without breaking the budget. That's it for our top 5 best drawing tablets. Each of these options offers great features to match different needs and budgets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.